How to fix Conquest of Elysium 5 is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your library and open up the properties window, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to repair. Once this is done, you can go back to the general tab and add the following command to the launch options box, -dx11 without spaces, and then you can close Steam. Now you will need to open up your browser, and if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can go to nvidia.com and download the NVIDIA app from here. And once you install it, you want to go to the drivers tab, select game ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest update from here. And the last step is to open up a new tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link, and then from the second table here, you want to download and install the 86 and the 64 redistributables, both of them. And once you finish it, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click and run as admin. And then you can open up the game again, and this should fix the crash. Thanks for watching and subscribe.